guys, welcome to my video. So today's video I'm going to do wala lang, mag-prepare lang ko kay duty na ko karon hapon 2:15 until 8:45 sa gabi, so like 6 hours kapin, pero ang paid ana is 6 hours lang. So today is Saturday and it's the 1st of the month of October and the time it's 11:31 or 11:30 in the morning. Ako'y pakita sa inyo akong hand cream nga napalit na ko sa Priceline Pharmacy. Wala lang, pakita lang na ako sa inyo sa pag take care sa kamot para ganahan ang atong partners in life, yung holding hands maskin unsa pa mo kadugay na. Ang pangalan sa hand cream, kadua pa ako ni nagamit and it turned out na ganahan ko siyang result, as in soft kay siya, pero sa karon wa pa gaganahan og holding hands sa akong husband sa kuha. Ang pangalan di ani is coconut therapy. Ang ilang claim then it softens, smooths, nourish, moisturizes, and conditions our hand. So let the benefits of supercharged coconut nourish your hands with this richly hydrating hand cream. It has 95 mils or 3.3 fluid ounce volume. It says here, use as often as desired to moisturize hands and keep them looking soft and smooth. Skin will be hydrated. So, soft na akong skin. Dili siya sticky. It automatically dries. Next is, makita na ako sa inyo akong bago nga pair of hair ties, and na-surprise ko kay naaday bugkos ang Nike. Wala po ko na-expect nga nakita na ko ni siya sa Rebel gahapon or 2 days ago. Nike gathered hair ties 2-pack. Durable. They're claiming that it's durable, elastic, provides a secure hold, comfortable, fabric-covered band. And sa tanan akong gipananaw dito, mura gini siya available na colors, brown o blue. So it cost me $24.99 and I think this is gonna be my first and last purchase for this one, because for the price of $25 for just 2 hair ties, I can buy more than 2 hair ties for that amount. So ito siyang i-open. Kaya gamito na to siya for the first time sa akong work today. So, muna siya guys ha. 2-pack siya. Hindi naging siya nga kuan siya. Durable for now because bago man ako siyang open. Pero, tanaw na to ni siya. After how many days or months, kung maabtan man ako ng months or years. Or, maabtan siya months or years if dili ko tawala because dali rin ko mawala ng mga butang-butang, especially mga gagmay na butang. So, for now, I don't know which one should I choose. The brown one or the blue one. Maybe this one it looks good. And this one I'm going to keep. Hopefully it will gonna last. This one I have another one, but it's not a Nike. It's just some random hair tie that I bought from Cotton On. Or so for now guys, bye na kay kanang manglakaw na mi. We're going somewhere before kumuwadto sa akong work.